Welcome to the best picks. The best Skinnygirl salad dressing is probably one of the most versatile and health-conscious additions you can make to your kitchen, offering a delightful way to elevate your salads and other dishes without the guilt of high calories or unhealthy fats, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to maintain a balanced diet while still enjoying delicious flavors. Number 5. Simple Girl Organic Salad Dressing Variety Pack. Discover a variety of delicious and healthy salad dressings. Perfect for any meal, they add flavor without the guilt. Enjoy 4 fantastic flavors: sweet vinaigrette, balsamic vinaigrette, sweet mustard, and citrus ginger. There's a taste for everyone. These dressings are sugar-free, low no-carb, and fat-free. They are an excellent choice for diabetic, gluten-free, vegan, paleo, and keto lifestyles. Elevate your salads with these versatile dressings. They are made with organic ingredients for a fresh and natural taste. This pack includes 4 12 ounce bottles, offering great value and convenience. Stock up and enjoy healthy eating every day. What we like. This variety pack offers a fantastic range of flavors to suit any salad. It's perfect for those who love to experiment with different tastes while sticking to a healthy lifestyle. If you are looking for organic, sugar-free, and diet-friendly options with great taste, this is the one for you. What people say. These Simple Girl dressings have great flavor and 0 sugar, 0 carbs, 0 fat, and 3 calories. Great for my diabetic husband. I chose these because they are either 0 fat and carbs or very low, which fit into my diet. Number 4. Skinnygirl Caesar Sugar-Free Gluten-Free Salad Dressing. Enjoy the classic taste of Caesar salad dressing without the sugar or gluten. It's the perfect way to add flavor to your favorite greens. Looking for a dressing that fits your lifestyle? This option is low in calories and packed with the bold flavor you love. Make your salads a healthy indulgence. It's crafted to be sugar-free and gluten-free, supporting your wellness goals. Get a convenient pack of 2 bottles, ensuring you always have this delicious dressing on hand. Enjoy it fresh every time. Experience the smart choice for your meals. It delivers exceptional taste while keeping things light and healthy. What we like. Enjoy the timeless taste of Caesar without the guilt. This option is ideal for anyone who craves a creamy, classic dressing but needs to avoid sugar and gluten. If you are a fan of Caesar salad and prioritize health-conscious choices, this pack is a great pick. What people say. Great taste and low calories. It is a good alternative for people who are watching their weight. The variety pack is a good way to try different flavors. Number 3. Skinnygirl Honey Dijon Salad Dressing. Enjoy the bold and tangy flavor of our Honey Dijon dressing. It's the perfect way to add a delicious kick to your salads without any of the guilt. We believe in great taste that fits your lifestyle. That's why this dressing is crafted to be both sugar-free and gluten-free, so you can feel good about what you're eating. Experience the classic combination of sweet honey and zesty Dijon mustard. It's a perfectly balanced flavor profile that complements any salad. This 8-ounce bottle is just the right size for your everyday needs. Keep it in your pantry for quick and easy meal enhancements. Embrace the Skinnygirl way of living with this delightful dressing. It's a simple choice for a healthier, happier you. What we like. Experience a delightful balance of sweet and tangy notes in this popular flavor. It's a wonderful choice for those who enjoy a touch of sweetness in their salads without added sugars. If you like your dressings with a bit of a kick and are mindful of your sugar intake, this is a must-try. What people say. Great taste and flavor. Low calorie and healthy option. Number 2. Bowls, Vibrant Recipes. Discover a world of vibrant flavors and endless culinary creativity. Our collection offers a recipe for every taste and occasion. Get ready to explore exciting new dishes. Experience the joy of fresh, wholesome ingredients transformed into bold and delicious meals. Each recipe is designed to be both healthy and satisfying. Elevate your everyday dining. Whip up incredible meals in no time with our simple and straightforward recipes. Perfect for busy weeknights or when you need a delicious meal fast. Enjoy convenience without compromising on taste. Make it your own. These versatile recipes are designed for customization, allowing you to adapt them to your preferences. Swap ingredients, add your favorite toppings, and create your perfect bowl. Find inspiration for every meal of the day. Whether you're craving a hearty breakfast, a light lunch, or a satisfying dinner, we have you covered. Enjoy delicious options around the clock. Nourish your body with vibrant, healthy ingredients that don't sacrifice flavor. These recipes are packed with goodness and taste amazing. Feel good about what you're eating. What we like. This isn't a dressing, but a guide to creating vibrant and delicious meals. It's perfect for anyone looking to expand their culinary horizons and make healthy eating exciting. If you are seeking new ways to build flavorful bowls and want to incorporate more fresh ingredients, this book is your ultimate companion. What people say. Great taste, low calorie, and low carb. Excellent flavor and very versatile. Perfect for salads and marinades. Number 1. Hughes Sugar-Free Salad Dressing Bundle. Enjoy the rich taste of your favorite salad dressings without the sugar. Perfect for a healthy lifestyle. Our dressings are crafted to be gluten-free, ensuring a delicious and safe option for everyone. Savor every bite. Looking for low-carb options that don't compromise on taste? These dressings are the perfect addition to your healthy meals. This bundle offers a delightful variety of 4 fantastic flavors: honey Dijon, sweet, raspberry, and balsamic. There's a taste for every preference. Elevate any salad with these versatile dressings. They are ideal for everyday meals and special occasions alike. Get 4 12-ounce bottles of our popular sugar-free dressings in one convenient pack. Stock up and enjoy. What we like. Get a comprehensive selection of popular flavors in one convenient bundle. This is an excellent choice for those who want variety and are committed to a low-carb, sugar-free lifestyle. If you enjoy sweet, raspberry, honey Dijon, and balsamic flavors and are looking for healthy, guilt-free options, this bundle is perfect. What people say. This is a great way to add flavor to your salads without adding a lot of calories. I love that these dressings are low in calories and fat, and they taste great too. The variety pack is a good way to try out different flavors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.